CPNRE students, let's test your assessment skills. You auscultate a client's abdomen but don't hear any bowel sounds at first. What should you do next? Option 1. Notify the provider. Too soon, you need to confirm first. Option 2. Percussion and palpation. Wrong order. Always listen before you touch. Option 3. Inspect for pulsations. That step is already done. Option 4. Continue auscultation for 5 minutes. Correct. Always confirm by listening the full 5 minutes before calling bowel sounds absent. Key tip: bowel sounds can be very infrequent. Patience is key. And if you want more CPNRE-style practice, check out Sulcus Learning.